question my students always ask when working with the Bernina embroidery modules, like when a bobbin runs out, what do they actually need to do? In this video, I want to show what it's going to look like when you actually have the slide-on table on, and it's just not convenient for you to get in underneath without seeing what you're doing. So there's never a problem taking your hoop off and changing out your bobbin. Your machine always knows what location you're on and will be able to pick up right where you left off. Now, if you can see in through the opening and do this, this is an option. That's why the clear opening is here on the table. But if you just push down on this little release and then just slide this all the way this way, you can get right to your bobbin area, change the bobbin, put the new one on. If it's been a while since you've oiled, put a little oil in there and clean it out. Then all you have to do is just slide this back into position, and you do find that if it doesn't all the way click, remember you can just take your arm, lift up just a slightest little bit until you hear the click and it will be reattached. But sometimes it's a little easier for people to see the bobbin. When the table has been moved to the left, it just slides right underneath that embroidery arm, and it's super simple to slide it off and on when needing to get into your bobbin area.